and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll try to solve the fractional expression of quadratic equation. First, we'll change this expression in standard form. Then after that, we'll solve it by factorization. So you can see in this expression, x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 5, 3x minus 7. So it is also a form of quadratic equation. So while doing numerical problem, you'll be more clear. So now you can see that the application of quadratic equation in real life. So it is used to calculate the area, determining the product of profit, speed of the object. So in class 10, you will be more clear while doing the age problem, two-digit number problem, speed, distance, time problem. So mainly quadratic equation is used to find the two unknown values. So without further delay, let's start today's class. So here you can see in this question, what you have to do is that solve the following equations. Solve means we have to find the value of x. So what you have question, it's one of the important question. What you can see is here, it's 3x minus 8 by x equals to 2. So as you know, wherever there is fraction, always we have to do the LCM. Since denominator is nothing is there, so I can put here 1. Now I have to do the LCM of 1 and x. The LCM of 1 and x will be your x, or so let's do the LCM. So it will be x. So this x will go this side. So that means this will be a 3x square minus this 1 will go this side. So 1 into 8, it will be 8 equals to 2. Okay, actually you know, yeah, 1 you have to divide to this x. So whatever comes, x you have to multiply up. So x into x, x square. X you have to divide to this, x is cancelled. I get 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Now this x I'll take to the other side, because first I have to make it in standard form. So what is standard form? You know, I think so now you are perfect with the standard form. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First we have, for our first step, we have to make the standard form. So now I'll bring this 2x in front. What I'll get? 3x square. So plus 2x, when it comes this side, it will be minus 2x. So minus 8 is already there, equals to 0. So I got this first step, our standard form. Now what you have to do in the second step, we have to factorize by a, what you have to use? Magic cross method. So already I have told you 3x square minus this 2, I'll break it into 2 half like this, breaking the middle term, or splitting the middle term also we can call it a. So this is our next factorized step. So what I have to do next step is that 8 3s are 24. So I have to do the LCM of 24. If you haven't gone through with my part that breaking the middle term, first go through that nicely. Okay, so 8 3s are 24. It has been explained very nicely in that part. 8 3s are 24. Now what I have to do? I have to do LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 3 1s are. Now I have to make a magic cross. Yeah, so let's make a cross. So what should I get? 24. And after subtracting, how much should I get? 2. Why subtracting? Because here is minus. So if it is minus, in middle also it will be minus. If it will be plus, it will be plus. Okay. Now after subtracting, I should get 2. After multiplying, I should get 24. So can you think of that number? 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4, 2. Wow. So this is your magic cross method. So I can write 6 and 4, always the bigger number front. So what will be now? 3x square minus 6 into x, 6x minus plus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. Now what I have to do? From this to common. So let's do it in a raw form. Minus 6x, 3x square, I can write x into x minus, what can I write this? 2 into 3 into x. So you can see 3x is matching. That means what can I take common? 3x I can take common, 3x. So what is left over here? X minus 2. Yeah. Now what will be common? You can see here 4 and 8 is there. 4 will be common, plus 4 will be common. So you think that dividing 4 get cancelled. X 4 2s are 8 equals to 0. So already I have told you that this 2 always has to come same. So we got same. That means our process is right. Now x minus 2 common, and this in another bracket. 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So our second step also done. Yeah. So we have factorized it. Now our third step. What do you have third step? Either or. So either x minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore what I'll get, x equals to 2, or now 3x plus 4 equals to 0. What will be 3x plus 4, when it goes that side it will be minus 4. So therefore what I'll get, x equals to minus 4 by 3. So this is our final answer, and you'll get how much marks? You'll get 3 marks for this. So therefore x equals to 2, and how much I got? Minus 4 by 3. So we got how many values? 2 values, because it's a quadratic equation, so you'll get 2 values. So the application of this quadratic equation is that wherever you have to find the 2 values, suppose you have a question in class 10, you will do brother age and the elder brother and the younger brother age. So there you are getting two age you have to find. That time what you have to use quadratic equation. Suppose now you are finding the 2-digit number, suppose xy, 2-digit number means 25, 66. Again you are finding the 2 numbers. That time also you will use the quadratic equation. Okay, so now let's solve another question. So here we have one of the very important question. So as you can see here, what you have, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, 2x minus 5 and 3x minus 7. So it's one of the very important questions. So what you can see in this is that it's not given in the standard form. So first we have to make it in the standard form. What is the standard form? As you know the formula, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So our first step is that we have to make it in the standard form. So since it is not in the standard form, so what you can do in the first step is that we have to do cross multiply. So this will go this side and this will come this side. So what will be this? X minus 1. This will be a 3x minus 7 and equals to, what can I do? This will go that side. That means it is x plus 1. Then what you have? 2x minus 5. Okay, so now what you can do? We have to do the expansion. Now we'll expand this. So many students, what they do is that they do the shortcut way and they do mistakes, silly mistakes. Okay, so let's not do the shortcut way. So let's do long only. X, what will be? 3x minus 7. Now what do you have? Minus 1. Now what can you do? 3x minus 7. First you will do with the x to whole thing. Then after that you will do with the minus 1. Similarly this side, what you will do? X with the whole thing. X, 2x minus 5. Then after that what you have? Plus 1. So plus 1, 2x minus 5. Now let's do the expansion. X into this, 3x square minus x into 7, 7x minus plus minus 3x minus minus plus 7 equals to, now this into this, 2x square minus x into 5, 5x plus 1 into 2x, 2x plus minus minus 1 5 is a 5. Now next step, 3x square minus minus is plus. Since 7 is bigger, so sign will be minus. 7 plus 3, 10x plus 7 equals to 2x square. Minus plus is minus. That is 5 minus 2 is 3x. What will be sign? Since 5 is bigger, sign is minus. So always the bigger number sign. Okay. So minus 5. Still is not in standard form. I have to make right hand side 0. So I'll bring everything in front. So 10x plus 7. So when I'll bring this side, it will be minus 2x square. When I'll bring this minus 3x this side, it will be plus 3x. When I'll bring this minus 5 this side, it will be plus 5 equals to 0. Now 3x square and 2x square matching. 3 minus 2 is your 1. So 1x square, 1, no need to write. Now you can see here minus 10x and plus. So minus plus is minus. So 10 minus 3 is your 7x. So what will be sign? 10 is bigger, so minus. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 will be how much? 12. So I got 12. So is it in the standard form? Yes. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I got the standard form. This carries 4 marks. Okay. Now what I have to do? Breaking the middle term. So x square. Now I'll break this 7 into 2 half. 2 part. This x plus 12 equals to 0. Now as you know that what is there in this? Plus is there. That means in the middle also there will be plus. Now what I have to do? I have to do the magic cross rule. So this 12 has to be multiplied to the front. What do you have here? 1. 12 ones are 12. Now I have to do the LCM. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 ones are 3. Now what you have to make? Magic cross. So let's make the cross. What it should come? 12. Yeah, 12 it should come. And after subtracting or adding, yeah, it's adding. Okay, it should come 7. So can you think of that number? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, yeah, 4 3. Now see magic, 4 3s are 12, 4 plus 3 7. So what can I write this? I can write this as 4 and this I can write 3. So or x square minus 4 into x, 4x minus plus minus 3x plus 12 equals to 0. Now our next step, what will be common between these two? So what will be common? X. So it will be x minus 4. What will be common here? Minus 3. You think that you are dividing, 3 cancel, so plus is there. So whenever the plus outside is minus, it will be minus, because minus minus is plus. Now 3 4s are 12. So already I have told you that this 2 has to come same. We got same, that means our answer is right. Now this 2 common, so x minus 4. Next in another bracket we'll write x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is our second step, that is your factorize. So we got the factorize also. Now our third step, what do you have to do? Either or. So what do you have to do? Either what will be? X minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 4. Minus when it goes that side, it will be plus. Or what do you have? X minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore x equals to minus when it goes that side, it will be plus. So I got 3. Therefore x equals to 4 and 3. So I got the two values for this quadratic equation, and you will get how much marks? This carries 4 marks. And our fifth step is not compulsory for your exam. You can put that value and then you can equate that left hand side equals to right hand side. That no need to do. Okay, hope so you got it this. Now let's solve our last question from this chapter. So here you can see one of the very important question of this chapter. So what you can see in this question is that they have given us in fraction. You can see x of plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x equals to 2 1 upon 6. So first, our first step is that we have to make it in standard form. So what is our standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So already I have told you that whenever the question is given in the fraction, our first step will be to do the LCM. So what will the LCM of this 2 will be? This 2 only. So it will be x plus 1 and x is my LCM. Now this x plus 1 will divide to this. So what I'll get? X. So x into x, it will be x square. Plus similarly x you will divide to this. What I'll get? X plus 1. So x plus 1 into x plus 1, it will be x plus 1 whole square. Now this is a mixed fraction. So as you know, you can change into. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1. 13 upon 6. You know this. First you have to multiply 6 2s are 12 and you have to add this upper 1. Now what you can see here is that it's in formula. You can see x plus 1 whole square. So as you know the formula, what is the formula? A plus b whole square. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what do you have? X plus 1 whole square. So x means a, so it will be x square plus 2, x is a and b is my 1 plus 1 square. So what I got? X square plus 2 into x, 2x plus 1 square is 1. So what I got? X square plus 2x plus 1. So we have in denominator, so we have multiply x into x. X square plus 1 into x equals to 13 upon 6. Now what you can do here? X into x is your x square plus a square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Now what you can see, this 6 is there. So what do you have to do? Cross multiply. So this 6 will come this side, this I'll take to the other side. So what will be? So 6 I'll write in the front equals to 13x square plus x. Now our next step, we will multiply this. 6 2s are 12x square plus 6 2s are 12x plus 6 1s are 6 equals to, this is 13x square plus 13x. Now I'll take this whole thing to the other side. Why I am taking to the other side? You can see here 12x square and 13x square. Which one is bigger? 13. I want to make x square coefficient positive. Okay, so such that the numerical will be a little bit easier. So I'll make it 0. So this will be a 13x square plus 13x. So when I'll take this that side, it will be minus 12x square plus when it go that side, it will be minus 12x. Again plus 6 is there. So when it go that side, it will be minus 6. What can I do? 0 equals to 13 minus 12. Both are same family. 13 minus 12 is your x square. Why same family? Because x square, okay. So 13x and there is 12x. So 13 minus 12 is your again x minus 6. Okay, so what I'll do now, right hand side I'll make it left hand side, x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. I can do this. Okay, so left hand side I'm making right hand side I'm making left hand side, and the left hand side I'm making to the right hand side. It does not affect the sum. Okay, now what you can do is, can you see here we got the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I got the standard form. This was our first step. Now what is our second step? We have to do factorize. And factorize, how we can do? The breaking the middle term by the magic cross method. So x square plus here is 1. So I'll break that 1 into 2 apart. Minus 6 equals to 0. So now as you know that magic cross rule, what you have to do? This 6 has to multiply to the front. 6 ones are 6. Now I have to do LCM. 2 3s are 6. 3 ones are 3. Now let's make a cross. Our cross. What should come? 6. After subtracting, what should come? It should come 1. So now you can see here is minus. If it is in minus in the middle also it will be minus. Yeah, you know this now. Perfect, I think so. Now only we have two numbers. So 3 2. So 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 1. 3 2s are 6. So this is only your magic cross method. So 3 and 2 will be here, or x square plus 3 into x, 3x plus minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now what I have to do? I have to take common. So what will be common in this 2? X. So it will be x plus 3. What will be common in this 2? Minus 2. So what can I write this? X plus 3. Our process is right, as I have told you that this 2 has to come same. So I got same. That means our process is right. Now as you know that we'll write this in another common. So x plus 3. So from here to there. Okay. And this in another bracket. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So our another step also done. Factorize step number 2. Now what you have to do? Step number 3, either and or we have to equate. So either x plus 3 is equal to 0, that means x equals to what I'll get? Minus 3, or this we have to equate. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, so therefore x equals to plus minus 2, when equals that it will be 2. So therefore I got the two value, x equals to minus 3 and 2. So I got the final answer, and this carries 4 marks. Okay, hope so you got it. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel, please, to support me, okay, to get motivated. So please like, share and subscribe for more update to our channel. See you soon.